if you're on self-improvement, bro, try to focus on improvement. Talking to women is part of it. And you might say, oh, bro, I want to be a wolf, a lone wolf. Bro, a lone wolf dies alone, hunts alone. That's the reality, bro. And you keep on fapping and masturbating because you want women, bro. You want to have a girlfriend. I'm not saying that, oh, you need to prioritize women, because don't not prioritize women, bro. Do not put women at the upper pedestal over God. Should be God first, and then your girlfriend, your woman. And I'm not saying that you should have like sex with her, because that's sexual immorality. That's not masculine, bro. Having a lot of women and sex is not a masculine way. That's not a man of God. So of course you need to talk to your girlfriend or your future wife, bro, or you haven't met her yet. If you are going on, if you are going to court her, so this is how you talk to her. And number one, bro, is to fix your insecurities and to have a better mental health. And you might say na, oh, may mga tao, bro, na they have so much acne, they have like a skinny fat physique, but my jowa sila, bro, they have a girlfriend, they can talk to women, whatever they want. Bro, those people aren't insecure. And if you are, and kung tatanungin mo ako, bro, I can't be present at the moment because I have so much acne and I have a skinny fat physique. I couldn't think of it. So if you are like you, bro, was experiencing acne and skinny fat physique, go to the gym, bro, and fix your insecurities. If you have acne, mag-supplement ka, bro. Vitamin D3 and zinc from Purism. Second, bro, be present at the moment, bro. Because women are parang may radar sila, bro. They can think that you are not present at the moment, that you are not thinking about her. She can sense that you are thinking about that Mobile Legend because you're still playing. You're in self-improvement, but you're still playing Mobile Legend. Good thing. That you are thinking that who will win between the Lakers and the Nuggets. And you are thinking that you didn't go to the gym today because you procrastinate again. Women can sense that, bro. She will sense that you are weak in that part because women are good at that. And saan ko ba nakuha to, bro? I have a girlfriend noon, bro. I have a girlfriend noon. Another thing is to keep an eye contact with her. Do not be insecure to keep an eye contact with her. Just let it be, bro. When she speaks, do not interrupt her, especially if she speaks. Never, ever, ever interrupt her. Just smile, and not a creepy smile, bro. Like your natural smile. Smile while she talk, bro, and then keep an eye contact with her. Lastly, be authentic, bro. Do not pretend that you are Andrew Tate, that you are some type of influencer or some type of celebrity. Be who you are, bro. Do not wear your mask. Do not wear that mask. Be who you are. Become authentic, original. You don't need to pretend kung sino ka. And just don't overthink, bro. Talk. Just talk, bro. You don't need to overthink a lot. So, yun lang. Get this.